Good morning, guys. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here tap on Clear Browsing Data, and now you've got basic and advanced features, so just mark those that you want to remove under basic and under advanced. As you can see, if you want to stay with something, just unmark it, so it will be not removed. However, once you want to perform a full cleanup, everything should be marked, then pick the time range, so you can choose all time to perform a full cleanup or one from the following options. And once everything is marked, just tap on Clear Data. Confirm it. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.